Hello everyone and welcome back to Score Games 145. We are continuing Stray today and we have found Blazer. He might be the one that Clementine meant. Let's see. Where did you get that? He's like hiding it behind himself. Oh, you're the outside my contact? Let me brief you about the atomic battery. The battery is powering the Nico Corp factory right there. This whole area is restricted and heavily guarded. They check every person who enters and turns away anyone who is not a worker. Here's an idea. Go get me a worker jacket and a worker helmet while I stay here to check for a good time to enter. Okay then. Well, we're right by the No, you're not gonna steal that. Oh no, you're not gonna make me listen to that savage music. Savage. You're savage yourself. Oh? Too late. Oh my god, it's even worse than I thought it was gonna be. Is it here? Oh! Quickly! Run! Okay, we got the worker jacket. Now we need the worker helmet. I think the hat shop here. Nobody can enter the shop while it's being restocked. And seeing how incompetent those two are, it might be a while. I've been waiting for ages for Stipulaci to get back and help me to stock these hats. The boss is not happy. If that guy's slacking off at the bar again, he has another thing coming. Oh. The bar! This is one place I don't think we've explored yet. Ooh. That should be good. The best thing about Stray is knocking things down. I tried downloading an aimbot to be the best at this game, but ended up with a malware. I'm not sure why, but everything seems odd now. Your head is upside down. That's what I think. Yeah, well, I'm a cat. I'm an expert at this game. See? I've mastered every game that ever existed, but I can't figure out how this one works. Am I not seeing the whole picture here? It's like this. Oh, no, it's not like that. It's like that. Shoot. Drink responsibly, little one. Not like this guy in the back room. What a pity. The guy in the back is absolutely well lubed, if you know what I mean. Only a big crush on the head could wake him up. Drank too much, eh? What will it be today, little sir? Or will it must seem gigantic from your little eyes? Wish I could be as tiny as you so I could explore new hidden places. Let's go get some. Oh, this is the worker dude. Yeah, he out cold. Aha. Time to wake up, son. He walks very drunkly, but you have to like slam into walls to be truly drunk. I don't think the developers did that. No, I'm kidding. I'm so very sorry if I offended anybody. Who's that? Alright. Cat Bo is over here. He's getting in front of the computer. Okay, what was I doing? Whoa. You guys probably caught that sound of him rubbing on the thing. Okay, time to get to work. I'm sweating. There's some sort of thing between them. Like, both been. Alright. Oh, this game is not very new. You can probably hear everything he's doing right now. I have jumped into the box and I can see nothing of what's exactly happening. Bo boy. If you listen closely, you might be able to hear him purring. Alright. Oh, okay, we're in. We have to quickly steal it. Then sneak out of here. Oh, I have fallen down. But I'm the amazing Scar. But I have fallen down due to a cat. Yes, a cat knocking me down. I couldn't defend myself. I'm so sorry, guys. It's being annoying. Okay, sorry about that, guys. That was a malfunction. I will not cut that part of the video out. You guys want to see the cat? You can see the cat. Things like this happen all the time. He's right back at it. I can't do it. I keep running into things because he's sitting in front of the computer. Go get me a worker jacket and a worker helmet so we can go in. Here. Excellent. This helmet will do the trick. I do still need a proper worker jacket though. Did you find one of those too? Yes, I did. Perfect. That jacket is exactly what we need. I'll get dressed now. Mine is turning around. You're a robot, man. You're a robot. But sure. These are great. A little snug around the waistline, but it'll do. Okay, hop in this box and I'll sneak you across the checkpoint. Focus. You're in, boys. Think they'll hurt us? Oh. Oh my god. Are these the Sentinels that everybody's talking about? Okay. Apparently they are. Jump out. Shoot. I was trying to jump on here. Dang, I'm gonna have to go around. Nothing over there. I'm gonna have to make a break for it, guys. Hey, good thing you're here. You can help me. I lost the keys to my place in this dark and huge factory. The Sentinels refused to help me. They told me, if no place to go, more work here. If by any chance you can help me find them, I'll be eternally grateful. Don't worry, dude. I'll see if I can find them. No promises, though. Oh, so they can only see when they're blue light, yellow light, red light, green light things at a specific point. It does look like I'm going to have... Darn it. Close. What's over here? Oh, it says take workers' keys. How did it get all the way up right here? Okay, that was a close one. I'm gonna be more careful. Where is this place? This takes me back. No way! You found it! Thank you so much. I've been stuck at work for so long. Come here. I have something I can give you in return. Nico badge. Alright guys, this is where I'll leave off today. However, I will see you in the next video and maybe we'll... Alright, see ya!